Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to receive money through Western Union in Nigeria. There are two main ways to receive funds: cash pickup at an agent location or directly into your bank account. Before you go to receive money, make sure the sender gives you the correct money transfer control number, or MTCN, the expected amount, and their full name. Visit any Western Union agent location in Nigeria. These are often in banks or dedicated agent shops. Take a valid government-issued ID such as a passport, national ID card, driver's license, or voter's card. At the agent counter, give your name, the MTCN, the amount you expect to receive, and the sender's name and country. Once the agent verifies your details, you can receive your money in cash. Or, if you chose bank deposit, the funds will go directly into your Nigerian bank account. You can track the status of the transfer before picking it up using the Western Union tracking number online or via the app. Always double-check the details with the sender and only use official Western Union agent locations to avoid scams. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.